Today I'm excited to share my review of the Tineco Floor 167 Steam Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. I've been using this device for about a month now and I'm really eager to tell you all about my experience with it, so let's dive right in. Let's start with what makes this device so special. The Tineco Floor 167 Vacuum is not your ordinary cleaning tool. It's designed to steam and vacuum simultaneously, which means you're not just removing dust and dirt, but you're also deep cleaning your floors with the power of steam. With the steam reaching up to 284 degrees Fahrenheit, this thing literally melts away grease and stubborn stains, making it perfect for those tough messes that seem impossible to get rid of. Right, the first thing you need to do is add the cleaning solution. So if we turn this vacuum around, you've got the tank here where you add your solution. So just simply press that down to remove this, like so. And now you want to get your preferred solution. I'm using the Tineco deodorizing and cleaning solution for this. And what I'm going to do is just add half a cup of this and put it in here. And then once you've done that, you want to go to a tap and fill up the tank right up to this max line. And then obviously close this lid. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. And now once you've done that, simply put in the tank like this and it just clips on just like that. Alright, to start up the S7 is a simple process. You'll see a power button at the front of the machine here. Simply turn it on.
Auto mode.
And then once you turn it on, you can see the LED light. If I just spin this around, it will tell you what battery percent it is at right here, which is quite handy. And now this is in a fixed state, so I've turned it on. So I'm just going to, with my foot here, going to bend this back and it's going to automatically start cleaning, like so. And now with it being on auto mode, I know it's quite loud, to get it into steam mode or boost steam mode, you simply press the button here.
Steaming mode. Start preparing the steam.
Now it's going to prepare for the steam, and you see the LED light at the front. And if you press this button again,
Steaming mode.
it's on boost steaming mode. So you're going to wait a few moments for steam to come out. What I really like about the Tineco S7, first off, the HyperSteam technology is a real game changer. I've dealt with sticky messes and stubborn stains in the kitchen that usually require a lot of elbow grease, but with this steam mop, they come off with minimal effort. The steam also helps in sanitizing the floors, which is especially important if you have very messy kids or pets running around. Another cool feature I love is the continuous clean brush washing system, which is powered by MHCBS technology. This system keeps the roller brush clean by constantly washing and rinsing it off with fresh water, spinning at an impressive 450 RPMs. This ensures that I'm not spreading dirty water back onto the floor, which has been a concern with traditional mops. But what really takes the Tineco Floor 167 S7 to the next level is its smart sensor technology and the LED light feature, as you can see. The smart sensor automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow based on the level of dirt it detects on the floor. This means the device can focus its power where it's needed the most, making cleaning processes more efficient and effective. It's like vacuum is thinking for you, optimizing its performance in real time. And let's not forget the LED light at the front of the vacuum head. This is a lifesaver when you're cleaning in dimly lit areas or under furniture. The bright LED illuminates dust and debris that you might otherwise miss, ensuring that your floors are truly spotless. Alright, once you've finished up cleaning, simply put it back to its cleaning dock. It self-cleans itself, so I'll go ahead and pop this on the dock.
Charging. Checking cleanliness. Please clean the dirty water tank to prevent odors.
Alright, now once it's on the cleaning dock, you want to come up the top here and press this button to self-clean.
Self-cleaning with steam. Auto-detecting. Cleaning the brush roller.
So as you can see, it's cleaning the brush roller, and now let this go through the cycle. And then once it has finished self-cleaning, we've got to go ahead and clean the dirty water tank here. So you can see it's cleaning, doing a pretty good job here. So yeah, once this is finished self-cleaning, I'm going to empty out the dirty water tank. It's essential to clean the dirty water tank after each use to prevent build-up of residue and bacteria, ensuring your vacuum to continue to perform at its best and maintains a fresh, clean scent for next use. Alright, it's finished its cleaning cycle. So to remove the dirty water tank, if we come here, there's a handle and a little button to press down. So just simply do that. Take this off, empty out all the dirty water here and give that a nice clean, and also give this filter a clean. So you want to take this like so. This all comes off in one piece. So to take it off, just lift this up and you can see all the gunk there, and that comes apart. Give that a good scrub. Once you've done that, put the filter back on and then put this back into there. My experience with the Tineco Floor 167 over the past month has been nothing short of impressive. This device is cordless and lightweight, which makes it super easy to maneuver around the house. The self-propulsion feature is also a big plus, reducing the physical effort needed to push it along, which I really appreciate, and so does my wife, especially during those long cleaning sessions. The smart sensor has really stood out to me during my usage. I noticed that when I transitioned from a lightly soiled area to a spot with more dirt, the vacuum would automatically boost its power, tackling the tougher messes with ease. It's nice not having to manually adjust the settings. The S7 does it for you. This is a versatile, powerful and highly efficient cleaning tool that has made my cleaning routine so much easier and more effective. The combination of the HyperSteam technology, smart sensors, continuous clean brush washing and the LED light really sets this device apart from others on the market. Whether you have kids, pets or just a busy household, this product definitely makes your life a lot easier. I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a high quality, multifunctional cleaning device. It's worth every penny.